What is washing machine? Washing machine is a domestic appliance that washes clothes with the aid of water and detergent. It is also called laundry machine, clothes washer, or washer that includes immersing, dipping, rubbing, or scrubbing of clothes in water. This machine is power driven with an AC motor connected to the power source, 220 volts over 60 Hz, so that the electrical energy can be connected into mechanical energy in order to facilitate an act of washing, rinsing, and spinning. The simplest washing machine just agitates clothes in water with detergent, where some include wash and spin timers for automatic operations. Automatic machines, or those electronically controlled, may fill, empty, wash, spin, and heat in a cycle. The usual domestic washing machine can be considered automatic because of the mechanical timer used. Electronically controlled are those machines that utilize electronic circuit for switching and program of the operation depending on the features.
Electrostatic discharge wrist strap, or ESD wrist strap.
Mask, non-static brush, apron, cable tie, electrical tape, eye protector or goggles, gloves, soldering paste, soldering iron with stand, soldering lead, desoldering tool, diagonal cutting pliers, long nose pliers, wire stripper, adjustable plier, Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, multi-tester, combination wrench, and utility knife.